Alright guys, we're going to install this foot clutch kit we've been working on. I tried to come up with the absolute simplest design possible. Fewest parts, fewest pieces. Number one, it's simple to install and it keeps costs down for you guys. So, you put your frame clamp on, you get that into position. You got this little machined aluminum cable adjuster bung. Slip your other bolt in here. Obviously when you install this you'll want to use some Loctite and actually tighten everything real tight, but I'm just popping this on here to show you guys, so obviously not as important. But okay, so we got that in place, and then you will take your cable adjuster out of your clutch lever, screw it into here, take your stock clutch cable, cut the end off, and route it down through here. You might have to cut your outer sleeve off, depends on how you route your cable. That's going to be up to you. Then you're going to have this little end clevis, which is super easy. You take your cut end of your cable, slip the end through, slip the cable through the hole in the clevis, route the end back out through the hole. Then you squeeze this down, screw your nut on, and this swedges the cable. Once you have that, you'll have your cable in here. You can clock this so your cable pull is how you want. You slip this on, drill a hole in your old shifter pedal, and you got a foot clutch.